Namashivaya. Welcome to the second session on calendars. Hope you have taken your pre-quiz and mid-quiz well. Now coming to the workbook problems. Today is Monday. After 61 days, it will be. So now what is the multiples of 7? 56, 63. So after 63 days, it will be again Monday. Now they have asked for after 61 days. So come in reverse mode. After 62 days, it will be Sunday. After 61 day, it will be Saturday. Or you can go in forward mode also. After 56 days, it will be Monday. So 56, 57, 58 like that also you can go. You will get Saturday. Now, 3 days ago, Ritu met her friend and asked him to lend her his physics book. He promised that he will lend it on 8th day from that day. If today is Thursday, on which day will he lend me the book? So today is Thursday. So 3 days ago is Monday. Now from that day, it was promised that after 8th day, it will be given. So 8th day from Monday is Tuesday. So Tuesday, the book will be lent. If 12th July in particular year is Tuesday, then 5th December in that year is. So here year is not given. So we cannot find out 12th July of this year. What is the day like that? We cannot find out. Now, we are just finding out the number of odd days between 12th July and 5th December. So find out the days, then we can find out the odd day. Now, totally 146 days are there. So remainder is 6 days. Now, the reference point is Tuesday. Underline here, the reference date or reference day given is Tuesday. So from Tuesday, we have to calculate the odd days. So after 7 days, that is 0 day means Tuesday, 6 day means Monday, the previous day, Monday, 6 days, or go for forward shift or go for one backward shift. So you will get the 6th December is Monday. So even though the year is not given, we can find out in that particular year, or in next year also we can find out, no issues. Now in a month of 31 days, the third Wednesday falls on 15th. What will be the last day of the month? So let the third Wednesday is falling on 15th. So 15 plus 7, 22nd. 22nd plus 7, 29th is Wednesday. Now 15 minus 7, 8th will be a Wednesday. Now 8 minus 7, first is also a Wednesday. So totally 5 Wednesdays are there. So 5 Wednesdays are there. Now what will be the last day of that month? So last day of the month, 29th is Wednesday. So 30th is Thursday, 31st is Friday. Now, how you are telling 5th Friday? I will tell you. First Wednesday is coming, is on 1st. So first of that month to 8th, 1 week completed, there one Friday will be there. Now 8th to 15, second Friday will fall. 15 to 22nd, third Friday. 22nd to 29, fourth Friday will fall in between this. Then after one Friday is coming, then that will be a 5th Friday. It's not a normal Friday. It's in particular, we can tell it is 5th Friday of that month. So 5th Friday is the last day of that month. If the 25th of August in a year is Thursday, the number of Mondays in that month is what? So 25th August is Thursday. So now we have to focus on Monday. So 22nd is Monday. So 22nd minus 7, minus 7, minus 7 like that. 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th are all Monday. So how many Mondays are there? There are 5 Mondays. If 9/12/2011 happens to be Sunday, then 9/12/1971 would have been. So 30 years we are back shifting. So now current date is given and we have to go travel to the history like that. So that the total number of leap years in between here, we have to count. Simply 30 divided by 4, if you are putting, you will get only 7 leap years. No, multiple of 4 is a leap year, like that. If you are putting, you will get only 7. Here, the special category is this 2000. So 72, 90, 76. So like that, 8 leap years are there. So 8 leap years will have 8 into 2 odd days, and then 22 ordinary years will have 22. So totally you get 38 odd days, remaining 3. So finally 3 odd days will be there. So now 9/12/2001 is a Sunday. So going for 3 back shifts, Saturday, Friday, Thursday. So it will be Thursday. Now, sir, I am little confused. I am convenient with the forward shift only, means okay. Then now it's Thursday, we have found out. From Thursday, 3 odd days. That is going from forward. Let us assume that 1971 is given as Thursday, and we need to find out 2001. So 3 odd day. So 3 odd day means with the reference Thursday plus 1 Friday plus 1 Saturday plus 1 Sunday. So total plus 3, that is Sunday. So like that also we can recheck our arrived answer. If 2nd October 1807 is a Saturday, then 2nd October 2007 is a. So normally 200 years are there in between. So 200 years have 3 odd days. Now this is not a normal 200 years, because normal 200 years we are not considering that century year is a leap year, because continuously if you are taking 100th year is not a leap year, 200th year is not a leap year. But here the special case comes. The always in calendar part we have to be very particular about that leap day or leap year. How many leap years are there? Like that we have to calculate and check and see twice. Now here 2000 year is a century year, and it's happening to be a leap year. So that it will contribute for 1 more additional extra day. So 3 plus 1, 4 odd days are there. So now 2nd October 2007 with the reference date and the day is Saturday. So 4 shifts from Saturday. So plus 1 Sunday, plus 1 Monday, plus 1 Tuesday, and the last plus 1, that is total 4 plus 4 is Wednesday. How many days, odd days are there in the year 2200? They are not asking how many odd days are there till 2200, but in the year 2200. So 2200 is not a leap year because it's a century year. So we have to divide, it should be divisible by 400. It is not divisible by 400. It is a normal year. Normal year have 365 days. So 365 divided by 7, the remainder is 1 day, 1 odd day. When can we use the same calendar of 2017? The calendars can be used after some years. It can be reused, subject to the condition that the starting day of the year of this year and that year should be same. And not only that, this condition is enough, but the second condition is both the years should be leap year, or both the years should be a non-leap year. So say for example 2017 is a non-leap year. Now the another one year which will fall on the new year falls on the same day should be a non-leap year, because if you can tell, sir, some year is there, some leap year is there which is falling on the new year is starting in the same day. Yes, but the calendars will match only till February 29. Then after, one shift will be there, because where you will go and write that February 29 in that calendar. So that is even though if you are writing, the next shifts will be then the March 1st, the day starting, the day and the date will be mismatching in the monthly calendar. So now 2017. Now the number of odd days between this 2017 and that particular year, the coming year should be 0. So 2017 will have 1 odd day, 2018 is a normal year, have 1 odd day, 2019 1 odd day, 2020 will give you 2 odd days, so totally 5 odd days, then 6 odd day, 7 odd day. So one cycle completed, one cycle completed. So again 2023 will fall on the same, the new year will fall on the same day. So then 2023 is also a non-leap year and 2017 is also a non-leap year. So exactly all the 365 days will match the calendar. So the calendar of 2017 can be reused for 2023. The first Republic Day was celebrated on 26th Jan 1950. It was. So 1600 years have no odd days, 300 years have 1 odd day, and 49 years got completed then after. So that 49 years have 12 leap years starting from 4 till 48. So 12 leap years, and then 49 minus 12, so automatically it's 37 normal years. So total 61 odd days, giving finally 5 odd days. Then 26th Jan. So 26 days are there in this 1950 year. So that is giving another 5 odd days. So total number of odd days is 11, and final the net odd day is 4. So now 0 means Sunday. So 4 odd days are there. So it's Thursday. So the first Republic Day was celebrated on Thursday. It's just like a theoretical question. You can just remember whenever this kind of the Republic Day question is asked, you can give the answer directly like a theory. Thursday. Keep it in mind. If 17th September 1993 was a Friday, then which day of the week was 25th 1972? So now, after 25th June 1972, how many days are remaining in that particular year? 189 days. So that is exact multiple of 7. So nil odd days, 0 odd days. Now 1973 to 1992, there are totally 20 years in which 5 leap years and 15 ordinary years. So totally 25 odd days, finally 4 odd days. In 1993 till 17th September, there are 260 days. Finally, that is 1 odd day. So total number of odd days is 5 odd day. So with the reference of Friday, 5 odd days. So 0 means it's Friday, 6 means Saturday, 5 means Sunday.